This is the start of the lamb line with the restrainer and stunner. Hubert Haas. Also some, in case of electric failure, yeah, Matador, stunner. The restrainer is in a very good condition. Restrainer for the lamb. With its electric box, the bleeding shackles, elevator, bleeding, mid-bleeding trough. Okay, from the restrainer over there, bleeding trough. Then here you have preparation for the dehiding. And then return overhanging there to there and return of the bleeding shackles. These are the gambrels for the dressing part of the lamb. So here is overhanging to the gambrel, from bleeding shackle to gambrel. And here you have dehiding, first step, and then the dehiding machine, which is in our workshop. The lamb go automatically towards the dressing conveyor. There is a saw and organ conveyor. And at the end, there is a weighing unit. Weighing unit, inline with the computer. This is the platform where the lamb from the gambrels are overhang on this type of multiple hooks, and the gambrels are returned back to the beginning of the line. On these hooks, the lamb go inside the cold rooms. This cold room number 1. Here you will receive all the buy rail with the pneumatic switches. There is about 70 meters of buy rail. Cold room number 2, there is about 40 meters buy rail, also with pneumatic switches. Cold room number 3, the same, the buy rail with pneumatic switches, not the I-beams. There's about 130 meters of buy rail. Also this small cold room, or the buy rail of this small cold room, all this buy rail are included. These gambrels are also for the lamb line.